Okay, this is my first bake-off for my game library tracker web app. Creating an account is kind of tricky right now. I decided to use a resend API, and I'm just waiting for DNS to figure itself out. So I was working on that today, but currently I can only sign up with my own email. And I'll show you on Supabase. I have my email here, my username. If I add another email and try to verify it, it just won't send the email at this point. I will add that very soon. But if you sign in, there's lots of features. Let's add a game like Legend of Zelda Wind Waker. Platform is GameCube. Genre adventure. Completed. So there's all these categories that you can have for a game, including its title and description. And I'll give this game a 5 stars out of 5. Completed the game a few years ago. And as you can see, we have Legend of Zelda Wind Waker right here. And we can even sort by what the status of each game is, or what the genre is as well. I just realized that the stars are not showing up here, so I'll have to fix that. But you can also edit. Okay, and then so that's adding a game, and then you have your analytics. This is kind of self-explanatory. It just kind of shows you how many games you have, how many you completed, how many by genre, that type of thing. And this I cannot yet test. I tested it earlier, and it did work, but with the new email verification feature, I can't really test it again to doubly make sure it works. But basically, you would type in username of a user, and you would send a request to add that user as a friend. And you have the account. This might actually be a good chance to show some features here. So, and if I delete my account, then I'll be able to show this whole sign up process. So let's delete this account. And then if we check Supabase, it's no longer there. So we want to create an account. Okay, so now I'll go ahead and go to my email right here. And as you can see, we have a verified GameLib account email. This is what it'll look like for other emails as soon as DNS works. You click to verify, and you get to choose a username. And there we go. And then in Supabase, we have the new user, and it shows that it's verified in the username. Last thing I'll show is just I'll enter an incorrect password here to see if it catches it. Okay, good. So let's do that. Update password. That's working just fine. So yeah, when you add a friend, you add them by their username. When they complete a game, it'll show up here with because of WebSockets and things. And yeah, sign out works just fine. Actually, yeah, sign out works fine, and light and dark mode as well works great.